Hi everyone and welcome back to the S&P Saga, your weekly recap of the S&P 500 index. We'll reveal the winners and losers that drove the index performance, the beginning of earnings season, changes to the index, and a follow-up on our predictions. This week was marked by tech companies and banks starting earnings seasons on a strong note, but healthcare and energy are still lagging. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to understand which individual stocks impacted the S&P 500. Let's jump right into this week's review. The S&P 500 closed the week at $6,296.79, up 0.6% from last week and adding $301 billion of market cap. The P/E ratio, based on current price and latest earnings, stands at 30.03, up 0.2 points since last week. Let's go to your gainers. Nvidia is up $182.8 billion or 4.5%, announcing that it will resume H20 AI chip sales to China, renewing demand hopes. Alphabet up $56.2 billion or 2.6% on no specific news. Tesla is up $52 billion or 5.1% on reports that Grok AI would start deploying in Tesla vehicles. Microsoft up $50 billion or 1.3% on no specific news. Broadcom is up $42.1 billion or 3.3% as the company unveiled its Tomahawk Ultra networking chip. Oracle is up $41.8 billion or 6.5%, announcing a $3 billion AI cloud built out in Europe. Palantir is up $27 billion or 8%, following an analyst upgrade at Mizuho. AMD is up $17.1 billion or 7.2% on the announcement that the company can resume AI chips to China. Johnson & Johnson is up $16.4 billion or 4.3%, announcing better than expected Q2 earnings and outlook. JPMorgan up $12.3 billion or 1.5% after reporting better than expected earnings. Moving on to your losers. Meta is down $33.3 billion or 1.8% after the company settled an $8 billion privacy lawsuit. Exxon is down $33 billion or 6.6% as the company signaled weaker than expected Q2 profits ahead of earnings. Lilly is down $20.2 billion or 2.7% on no specific news. UnitedHealth down $19.5 billion or 7.1% on the continued investigation by the DOJ and several analyst price target reductions. Netflix is down $15.3 billion or 2.9% as revenue outlook underwhelmed investors despite recent subscriber gains. Abbott is down $14.5 billion or 6.3% after flagging a significant profit risk to its 2025 earnings. Elevance Health is down $14.4 billion or 18.7% after reporting disappointing earnings results and guidance. Micron is down $11.3 billion or 8.1% following multiple analyst downgrades. Home Depot is down $10.6 billion or 2.9% on no specific news. And finally, Danaher down $10.6 billion or 7.2% as investors take profits ahead of earnings next week. This week, there were two changes announced to the S&P 500 index. Ansys was replaced by the Trade Desk on July 18th following the closing of the Ansys acquisition by Synopsys. Hess will be replaced by Block on July 23rd following the closing of the acquisition of Hess by Chevron. Q2 2025 earnings just started with 38 members releasing earnings last week and 465 companies left to report. 104 S&P 500 members will release earnings during the week ending July 25th, 2025. And the most interesting will be Verizon on July 21st, Lockheed Martin, Danaher, RTX, Coca-Cola, Philip Morris, Capital One, Texas Instruments, Chubb, and Intuitive Surgical on July 22nd. Amphenol, IBM, Boston Scientific, Thermo Fisher Scientific, GE Vernova, AT&T, Alphabet, NextEra Energy, Tesla, ServiceNow, and T-Mobile on July 23rd. And finally, Blackstone, Union Pacific, Honeywell, and Intel on July 24th. And now, a reminder of our predictions. Here's how the 6 S&P 500 members that we're tracking are doing so far. Regarding the companies we announced on June 28th, Lululemon is down 2%, Kraft Heinz is up 9%, and UnitedHealth is down 9%. Regarding the companies we announced on May 30th, Halliburton is up 8%, Norwegian Cruise Line is up 34%, and Expedia is up 11%. Which company do you think will top the list next week and why? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our weekly updates. To find out why Nvidia and Microsoft were up last week, you should watch this video next.